Hey everyone, welcome to Curiosity. Let's solve question 607, salesperson. The question asks us to write a SQL query to find the names of all the salespersons who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. We are free to return the result table in any order. Let's look at the example provided to understand the different input tables given to us and the approach we can take to writing the query. So the first table is the salesperson table. This table has information about each salesperson, such as their salary, their commission rate, and their hire date. The company table has information for each company, and the orders table has information related to each order. So the first observation we can make is that we would need all of these tables to solve this question. And the reason for this is because the salesperson table has the name column, which corresponds to the employee name, and this is expected in this is something we need to return in our output. The company table has information about the company name, and this is what needs to be filtered. We need to create a filter for this. And finally, the orders table is the table which links the company table and the sales table. So let's start writing the query by joining these three tables. So I'm going to say select star using star as a placeholder from the orders table O, and I'm going to left join it with the salespersons table. I'm going to use the sales ID column to join these two tables. And now let's join these two tables with finally the company table. So again, we're going to use left join, company, alias it as C, on O dot company ID. So we are joining it using the company ID equals to C dot company ID. Okay, so now that we have joined these different tables, what I'm going to do as the first step is I'm going to create an intermediate table to find employees who have orders related to the company red. So if you notice, this is opposite to what the question is asking us to do. The question is asking us to find all salespersons who did not have orders related to company red. But the approach we're going to take is first find all employees who have orders related to red. So to do that, I'm going to say where c.name equals to red. So we're going to filter all employees or all records where the company name is red. And to create the intermediate table, I'm going to create a common table expression. And so this is going to be our intermediate table. And what we're going to do next is the next step is to find all the employees in the salesperson's table. So now we're going to find all employees who are in this salesperson's table but are not in this table, who are not in the intermediate table that we have. And this is essentially going to help us filter out all the salesperson who did not have any orders related to the company red. So to do that, all I need to do is say select. And first, a previous step that I missed was, since we need only the name of the employee, I'm going to select s.name. And here I'm going to say select name from salesperson where name not in, and I'm going to write the subquery select star from common table expression. So what this query is going to do is it's going to find all employees from the salesperson's table who are not part of this intermediate table. So basically employees who do not have orders related to the company red, and that's the logic. So let me go ahead and submit submit the query we have written. Okay, great. So our query is accepted. All the test cases have passed with a good runtime, and that's how you'll solve this question. Thank you, everyone.